Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. So we've got Bill's 1025R over here today, and he's got a 72-inch Frontier mower, finish mower on the back of this, and it's the model number GM 1072E. And the problem he's having is it won't mow. So he's either knocked the belt off of it or broken the belt. So let's open it up and find out and get this thing mowing again. All right, and with 3 bolts and an 11/16" socket, we'll know what's going on in just a second. I'm gonna lose my hardware here. All right, let's open it up and see what we've got. The belt seems to be intact, so I think we just have to put it back on the pulleys. That'll be nice. All right, look at that. Okay, so our pulley did jump off, or our belt did jump off the pulley, but also our idler pulley has come unhooked. So I think we can get this thrown back together pretty quick. I think this belt looks okay. It's got some wear, but I don't think it's gonna be too bad. And we'll throw this back on and then we'll grease these spindles and get him back mowing. Okay, so the only place this belt is not how it belongs on these pulleys is right out here. But you can't see there because it's under this gearbox. So since we're working under the gearbox here and can't see that pulley, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it loose on this pulley again and give me some slack. And then I'll get everything that I can't see very well in place, and then I'll just work it over this pulley. Take a gander under there. Yep, looks like everything's good to go. There we go. So now it's every place that it needs to be. Now we just have to attach our idler pulley back up. Okay, and all we need to do is get this hook into that hole. And they give us kind of a handle. But I like using a tool instead of my finger, so hang on. All right, so I'm not sure if this will work. Well, let's try this little pry bar. Go right through there. Look at that. If I could hold it low enough, it'd be there. Well, it's there, lengthwise. Let's try a different way. Okay, so with the vice grips, now a pry bar. There we go. All hooked up. Okay, and since this is dry, we'll go ahead and use an air gun and blow all this stuff out of underneath those things. All right, is it perfectly clean? Nope. Is it clean enough? Absolutely. We'll go ahead and grease these 3 spindles. All right, that should be good. Grease this one. Nice. All right, we'll throw the covers back on it and get this thing back over mowing. All right, one down. There we go. All right, well, we got the mower all put back together. Let's go test it out. Alrighty, that's going to do it on this repair. Give us a thumbs up if you got anything out of this video, and we invite you to subscribe to see more. Have a great day, and be safe.